There's a logical explanation for all of this. Guys eating sushi go into stores. Cuckoo clocks go off every hour. Hot dogs fall from the sky. Okay, maybe it is a magic typewriter.
The only thing magic about that typewriter is that I was able to get some sucker to buy it for 50 bucks. Thanks again, Des.
I think we should keep testing it out. The typewriter brought those around it great fortune.
Great fortune! Great fortune! I won, Allie!
What did you win, Dad?
The Mall Association Store Owner of the Year Award. I want you to present me with the award, honey.
I'm honored, Mr. Dawson.
I was talking to my daughter. Oh, this is the second luckiest day of my life, next to the day you were born.
Aww.
I'll never forget walking out of that delivery room and finding a $20 bill on the floor.